students. Now today is about objectives of Indian history. In this chapter, in the last previous lecture, we have done about lecture 3rd of modern history. Now the lecture 4th of modern history called Revolt of 1857, Pleasant and Tribal Revolt of Economic Impact of British Rule. All this question what I have told you that help in all your competitive exams. In this book it has covered 1800 plus MCQs question that helpful in all your competitive like UPSC, MPPSC and other state examination as well. In this chapter of Revolt 1857 it has completed 83 questions with their detailed explanation. Now let's start it with the question first. Where is the Samadhi of Lakshmi Bai situated? Your option is Gwalior, Varanasi, Jabalpur and Mandu. The correct answer is Gwalior. The birthplace of Rani Lakshmi Bai is in Varanasi and her childhood name was Manu. The Samadhi of Rani Lakshmi Bai is situated in the complex of Phul Bagh area of Gwalior, Varnaga, and Lakshmi Bai is also known as a freedom fighter of India who brought against British to the freedom of our country. Now let's talk about question second. Who amongst the following was not associated with the revolt of 1857? Your option is Tatya Tope. Option second is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Option third is Bahadur Shah Zafar, and the fourth is Bhagat Singh. The correct answer is Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born in 1907, was hanged on 23rd March 1931. Bhagat Singh fought Naroji Sahab in 1926, and Tatya Tope was a leader of Kanpur in revolt 1857. Bahadur Shah Zafar was the last Mughal ruler in India. Now let's talk about question third. When and where was Tatya Tope hanged till death? Your option is 18th June 1858 Shivpuri, and the second is 18 April 1958 Shivpuri, 18 June 1859 Jhansi and 18th April 1958 Jhansi. Your correct option is D. B. Tatya Tope along with Nana Sahib with the leader of Kanpur during the revolt of 1857 after the Bragal of Man Sahab, he was captured hanged till death on 18th April 1859 in Shivpuri. Now let's talk about question 4. The revolt of 1857 was witnessed by the poet. Your option is Mir Tugra, Jagur, D. Third option is Gala, and the D option is Iktu. The correct answer is Mirza Ghalib was the poet of the witness of revolt 1857. Now all these questions that I have told you that mentioned in the book itself. Now how to purchase this book? This book you can directly contact with Takshila, available on Amazon as well as that mentioned in our detail in the description box below. We started our question and answer series. You can answer your question in the given box below. All the best. Thank you.